You want some? You want a pudding pop? You want a little bite of pudding pop? Just a little bit. Okay. Is that yummy? You want some more? Yeah. I don't know if I can give you more. You're gonna get all hyped up. Cole.
Oh, he just cut chocolate all over his shirt.
Cole. 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 You gonna make that face again? Cole. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. You want some more pudding pop? Are you gonna make your face? Do it again. Here. You want some more? You want some more? Are you gonna make your funny face? There it is. That's your I'm mad face.
You're making your face. What was that?
Cole. Cole. Hey, Cole. Say bye-bye.